Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. It's the first time I've been out since my operation and yeah, hand's feeling pretty good to be honest. So it's the first time as well I've actually been down a bit of a green lane, particularly on the Himalayan. I can't recall ever going down a green lane in crappy weather ever on a bike, to be honest, because I've never really had off-road bikes. But it seemed to handle it pretty well, not bad at all. So this is Timble Woods, I believe, part of the Fewston Reservoir Estate in North Yorkshire, just outside of the market town of Otley. And like most of these things these days, it's owned by Yorkshire Water. It used to be owned by us, but now it's Yorkshire Water. So yeah, it's nice and peaceful. Just past a couple of people, but that's about all. I can imagine it's lovely in the summer when the leaves are out, but it is, yeah, very nice at the moment. Lots of little walking trails, as you can see down there. Yeah, I might have to come down here in the summer. Funnily enough, I only live about 6 miles away, yet I've never been here. Funny old thing, isn't it? So it should be interesting going up that big hill. Yeah, it's finally stopped raining. I think it's been raining for about 6 weeks, more or less non-stop. And whilst I've been stir crazy to get out on the bike, the fact that I've had my operation wasn't a bad thing at the time, really, bearing in mind that I couldn't have gone out anyway because of the weather. So yeah, pretty good. So I think what I need to do on the bike, it does need a new front tyre. As you can see, not an awful lot left on it. So I'm not quite sure what to get. It's got a kender on the back, which, to be honest, isn't bad. I know people diss it, but so far so good. So I don't know whether just to get a cheap kender on the front or invest in something more premium with a view to sticking the similar one on the rear when that one goes. But as I say, I've got my bags on, got my bottle holder, got my first aid kit. I've also got my TFT with cameras at the rear, and there's another one at the front as well. So yeah, pretty good really. Having great fun on the bike. Got a couple of spots as well. They work great. So yeah, so let's just have a quick wander down here, see what else there is down here. Seems to be like a little river or stream on the right, but I don't know whether that's just because it's so waterlogged. As you can see, there's water everywhere. It's just running off that hill. Probably can't hear the sound of it, but it's reminiscent of a babbling brook. So yeah, they're lovely woods. Do like a nice wood and a nice church. Yeah, it is a river. It is a stream. Look. Nothing like the English countryside, is there? There really isn't. I'd imagine there's pockets of snowdrops or something in there at the moment. Let's see if I can walk down without falling flat on my arse. Problem is there's no grips on these boots. I don't think I'm going to risk it. I don't want to break my neck. Plus the fact I've got to get back up again as well. But hang on, let's give it a go. Oh no, I won't. Absolutely no grip whatsoever. Perhaps when I come back in the summer I'll go down there and get eaten by the mosquitoes. So the sun's peeping through. I think it's about 9 or 10 degrees today. So it's a lovely day for early February. It'll soon be March, won't it? January seems to go on for about 400 days. And then February's over in a flash. And then we kind of get back to some normality in terms of months, if that makes sense. So yeah, so I'll probably get back on the bike now and head off home. I just wanted to nip out for probably for about an hour or so, just to check out the hand, healing nicely. So yeah, so I'll see you on the next one, and thanks very much for everyone who liked and subscribed the last few videos, very much appreciated. And if you could like and subscribe to this one, that'd be great as well. Obviously the numbers haven't been fantastic this time of year because it's been so difficult to get out on the bike and do anything of interest. But yeah, please do like and subscribe, very much appreciated, and I shall see you on the next one. Thanks very much. Bye bye.